BIS Bengaluru celebrated World Standards Day 2024. World Standards Day is celebrated by Bureau of Indian Standards BIS Bengaluru as a Manak Mahotsav with their stakeholders on 14th October 2024, which is a means of paying tribute to the collaborative efforts of the experts who developed the technical agreements that are published as a standards. The goal of World Standards Day is to raise awareness of the importance of global standardization to the world economy and to promote its role in helping meet to the needs of business, industry, governments and consumer worldwide. T. Nagamani, scientist, director and head BIS Bengaluru Laboratory, emphasized program objective and message of world standards.
We had a conference today. On this event of World Standards Day 2024. Shri Randeep Chowdhury, Secretary, Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution of the state of Karnataka, was our chief guest. We also had Shri Sudhakar, eminent scientist from ISRO. Today we are here to celebrate World Standards Day, which has a theme of shared vision for a better world with sustainable development goals on focus. BIS, the National Standards Body of India, is a part of the ISO, IEC and ITU international standard organizations, and so it celebrates World Standards Day along with these organizations. In Bengaluru, we are celebrating this event along with all other branches all over the country. SDG 9, Sustainable Development Goal 9, Industry, Infrastructure and Innovation with AI is the today's topic for this World Standards Day celebrations. Bureau of Indian Standards is also going digitally. We have lots of online platforms, as well as one among them is BIS Care app, which is useful for common consumers very much. It has all the information of the activities of BIS, including license numbers and details of all the licenses, hallmarking details. If you type the hallmarking number, unique ID number in the BIS Care app under the hallmarking section, you can see all the details of the jewelry that for which the hallmark unique ID number is pertaining to. You can see the weight of the gold and the purity of the gold, as well as the manufacturer of the gold and where it has been hallmarked. Similarly, you can also send complaints on misuse of ISA mark. You can also see what are the Indian standards published on various subjects, and hence it is very consumer friendly. So,
Scientist, Director and Head BIS Bengaluru branch Vijay Viran K explained main objective of Manak Mahotsav.
This year the theme signifies the Sustainable Development Goal 9, Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure. This is very essential because artificial intelligence is advancing the pace of development to an ever increasing speed. To catch up with the developments and to make our country Atmanirbhar, that we are taking rigorous efforts to reach the manufacturers, consumers and all the stakeholders. This event marks a significant day in the domain of standards and conformity assessment.
So, how to helpful the consumers and general public?
Yes, sir. Consumers, they are really the kings because they decide the parameters, the quality and the use of the product. So we request all the consumers to download BIS Care app. It is a simple mobile app through which they can see the qualities of a product, whether the product is genuine or any fake licensing is there, or any ISA marked or BI certified product, they have any quality deficiency or any performance defect, they can immediately bring to our knowledge. And Bureau of Indian Standards, we help them in the replacement or repair of the product free of cost. And most of our complaint address mechanisms are very effective, and more than 90% of our complaints result in satisfactory consumer complaints. Violations, the moment it comes to our notice, we carry out a discreet investigation. If any suspicious activity or some defective products are there, then we carry out an search and seizure operation also. So this is regularly ongoing process of BIS to have a check on the defective and spurious manufacturers, basically without license. Thank you.
Chief Guest, Secretary, Department of Food, Civil Supplies and Consumer Affairs, Ramandeep Chaudhary, in his inaugural address, emphasized on the importance of standards in all aspects of life. Theme of World Standards Day 2024, and how standards help in shaping the future of younger generations. Sudhakar S., outstanding scientist, ISRO, gave the presidential address and emphasized and this year goal of SDG 9, industrial innovation and infrastructure by using AI. He stated that AI is dominating everyone's life and explained the new innovations in space sector and implementation of large number of Indian standards in ISRO.
And a lot of standards define the products which has to be sustain all these activities. That's how the standards are helping the space technology to keep up to the requirements. So this is one of the things. And coming to this year's topics, the AAML usage and for industry innovation and infrastructure development, ISRO also is involving a lot of AI activities in terms of testing activities in anomaly reporting, anomaly finding it out, and inspection activities and future activities like hazard detection, hazard avoidance activities. Those things AAML is getting involved. And a lot of when we go a new area of suppose new terrain we have to go, and the onboard system is trained to as by deep learning it is trained to work in the new environment based on the machine learning languages. These are a lot of new things which are going to come, and AML we know is going to transform our lives into a lot of things. And standards for AML to ensure that the trusted AI and is getting used in all the systems, that also is going to come in a long way. So this is going to be the future, and the standards are also going to tell us which AI, which tools have to be used, what are the best practices has to be done, all have to be developed.
In this event was attended by more than 300 stakeholders. The presidential address was followed by a technical session chaired by Dr. C.K. Umesh, Professor, University of Visvesvaraya College of Engineering, Bengaluru. BIS also felicitate the stakeholders, all India first licensees, active mentors of the Standards Clubs of BIS, resource personnel for standards promotion actives, and long-standing licensees who are having license since more than 20 years.